You got to understand that forms of attraction aren't just physical. See, your confidence, how you live your life, your hygiene, your style, your charisma. All of these play a role in attraction, and a lot of times you're gonna excel in a lot of these categories, and without you even realizing it, you're becoming attractive. People find you attractive. But see, no one's just gonna come out and say like, damn, you're good looking. See, nobody's gonna say that. However, they are gonna act differently around you, and that's what I want you to pick up. See, today I'm gonna show you non-obvious signs that if you see people doing around you, it's probably because you're attractive. Let's hop into this. Number one, and probably the most evident, is constant micro adjustments. See, anytime a person's in front of another person that's attractive, you automatically start adjusting yourself, whether it's fixing your hair, fixing your clothes, fixing your glasses, sitting up straighter. See, these micro adjustments are like a subliminal movement that you start doing. You don't even realize you're doing it because you want to look better. You want to look more perfect, if that makes sense, because you're in front of someone you think looks perfect. So if you are in a situation and you notice this girl all of a sudden starts fixing her up, you see her adjusting her makeup, adjusting her hair. These are small little micro adjustments she probably is not even realizing she's doing because she's trying to look perfect, probably because she thinks you're attractive. Number two, stuttering. See, this is another one. See, when people are in front of somebody that are attractive, they don't know how to even communicate, because in their head all they're thinking like, damn, that person is good looking. I wonder if she likes me or he likes me. I wonder if they think I'm attractive as well. That's all that's going through their head. So when they're trying to actually talk and start a conversation, they can't string together a cohesive sentence. They start to stutter and stumble over their words. If they're doing this in front of your presence, you probably got them nervous, and it's because you're probably attractive. Number three, they always try to look their best. See, this is a tall tale sign, especially for women, where you'll notice that these people always try to look better. They dress better. They put on more makeup. They actually do their hair in the morning. When you see people trying to look their best, trying to look perfect around you, and that happens consistently, they're probably trying to impress you. They probably think you are attractive. Yo, but you got nothing to worry about, so you probably wear essentials. You already look perfect. This is probably why they're trying to impress. You don't wear essentials. Well, I got good news for you today, boys, because today, right now, we just launched our new heavyweight collection for essentials, and I'm telling you, yo, these are heavy hitters. Like, they're legit heavy hitters. Like, these will be the most used piece in your wardrobe. I'm telling you right now, these new heavyweight pieces, it is hands down the best collection we've ever designed, and I'm not even saying that lightly. See, every time we design something, we try to level up. We try to put better quality, better design, better intent, better everything into every single piece, and this collection is just that. Uniformity, from the creative, from the design, from the color palette, from the campaign, from even how it fits and feels. Yo, this is the best of the best, and I'm telling you, you're not going to want to miss it. Boys, every time we launch, we'll get about 800 to 1 million people hitting the site during launch day, which means right now, our site's probably, it's probably packed. We are probably flying through product, and I don't want you to miss it. Matter of fact, I got the entire collection right here. Just look how sick this color palette looks. The entire color palette, designed from Iceland. We cut no corners. The entire heavyweight collection, like our crew neck, our zip-up hoodie, our regular hoodie, our heavyweight sweats, they're interchangeable because it's made from one single piece of fabric. Our 480 GSM fabric that's more luxe than any other hoodie you'll ever buy or wear. That is my guarantee. Not to mention it's already pre-shrunk, so you don't have to worry about it shrinking like your other cheap stuff. And if that's not enough, we made the entire women collection to match the men's collection, so you can be twinning with your girl. Yo, put your girl on into essentials. I'm telling you, not only are you gonna visually like seeing her in essentials, like she's gonna thank you. She's gonna thank you. Yo, our female model, she took all our women's essential stuff. She's been DMing me, telling me how good these things look. She's been getting compliments left and right, and your girl can get the same. And we're not even stopping there. See, if you shop today, and today only, boys, and you shop from our bundles page, you're automatically entered to our back to school giveaway, where we're giving 5 MacBook Pros and 2 brand new iPhones completely free. So that means 7 of you are gonna be lucky enough to get one of these items in your order if you order from the bundles page. Boys, this collection is the hardest we've ever done. It's gonna make you look good. It's gonna make you feel good. And I'm telling you, if you've never tried essentials, give us a try right now. Give us a shot right now. Put my word to the test. See if I'm lying when I tell you these essentials are the best you'll ever wear. Number 4, you don't get compliments. See, most people think that because you're super attractive, you're gonna get compliments every day. And sure, if you're physically attractive, like genetically you look good, on social media, yeah, you might get bombarded with compliments because it's behind a screen and everybody has courage then. But if you're attractive in the other categories, like your charisma, your confidence, how you dress, how you look, how you feel, in person, most people won't be that forward to just bombard you with compliments every day because they're shy in the same way that you are shy. And in most cases, when they see you walking around with all that confidence and feeling yourself and looking good, they're gonna assume you already know you look good and therefore aren't just gonna be dropping compliments on you. So don't be surprised if you don't get compliments all the time. It's actually a good sign that you could be attractive. Number 5. People can't seem to concentrate. If you notice somebody's behavior around you being kind of odd, almost a little bit scatterbrained, like they can't piece a whole thought together, it's probably because you're attractive and you're making them nervous. See, when you catch somebody off guard from just how good you look, how strong your confidence is, they are going to have a hard time concentrating on what they're trying to say because all their brain is thinking, damn, this dude looks good. And finally, number 6, people will never be indifferent about you. See, when you're attractive, the opposite sex will act in one of 2 ways. They're either gonna love you or they're gonna hate you, but they're never gonna be lukewarm about you. See, those that hate you will usually do it out of jealousy or to probably mislead you because they don't want you knowing that they are crushing on you. So they're gonna go overboard and almost act mean about it. Those that love you, they're gonna act warm around you, always smiling and giggling. They're gonna do favors for you and all around they're just gonna be a good vibe. But never will you have somebody that's just completely indifferent. Like they could care less if you're there. If they could care less if you're in the room, they probably don't think you're attractive. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. And also, don't forget, pick up one essentials piece. Put my word to the test. See why this is the best collection ever. And I'm telling you, you try one piece from this collection, you'll become a lover of Essentials brand for the rest of your life. That's it for me today. See you next time.